back. Happy Monday, Lions. Woo! Let me tell you why we're celebrating. Last day of February.
It is.
There's other things too.
Yes.
Let me tell you something else we're celebrating.
It's
Super surprise lunch. We don't know what you're having. Have fun in there, but you know what I do know? There's going to be milk. Milk will be involved.
maybe even a packet.
Sorry.
Who knows?
Or two.
Ooh. Yeah. Or some wow butter.
What else are we celebrating this week?
Well, this week is Read Across America Week. Yay!
We love Reading Across America.
Woo!
Dr. Seuss.
Yes.
Yep.
So today, I'm looking for all the pajama wearers.
Oh, yes. Pajamas are coming out. Fleece.
Comfy, comfy. Stay warm.
This is, if you guys know Miss Rosie in the front, this is her favorite day. Her favorite day. She loves
Love it.
pajama day, okay?
Love
We
it.
love to be comfortable when we're at school. And then tomorrow,
Tomorrow is Wear Green. It's green eggs and ham. So everybody, wear green.
yay! That'll get us ready for the month of March anyway.
Sure will.
Because we got St. Patrick's Day in March,
Yep.
right? And spring starts March 22nd, everyone. That was the trivia question last week. Spring officially starts March 22nd.
March 22nd.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah. Do we have any,
Pride Paul winners?
uh-huh.
Well, okay.
I was in there on Friday.
I know.
I got to pick.
So, good job, Kinder.
Good job, Kinder.
Way to go. Mrs. Allen's class.
Way to go, Miss Allen's class.
Mrs. Nelson, Mrs. Van Groningen, and Miss Tizo. Good job.
Good job.
Daly, Mendoza, and Skinner's class. Way to go. And Olive 5th and Olive 6th. Good job, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and work on picking up our trash, making sure that we leave the cafeteria with a clean floor, clean table, and let's lower the noise down a little bit. We had some fun activities last week, and we were wanting to be able to hear the music and hear what's going on.
You know, I'm going to challenge you guys this week. You should be reading all the time, right? Reading, practice makes, it's not really practice makes perfect. What is it? It's,
Reading, it gives you opportunities to just, I'm an imaginary person. I like to imagine things in my mind. So when you read, you start to open up your mind to different things. It's that creativity, and it helps you understand and remember words. So it's like your sight words.
yeah, but it doesn't have to be a book, right? You can read a comic strip. You can read the words across your video game. That's not my favorite choice, but you could do that, right?
Okay,
So
you could.
there's different things, but nothing better than a good book. So, you know, I'm going to challenge you guys to read a little bit more this week than you normally do, and I will make sure to do the same. And I challenge you too.
All right, all right.
Maybe we'll come around and read some of our favorite books.
That
this week.
sounds good. Or you can let us know what your favorite book is. I'm sure you're.
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys, it's Music Monday. So here in a moment, we're going to have Mr. Magos
Hit it.
hit it. But first, it's a good day for a rug.
Yay.
Great day. Last day of February. Crazy.
And always, Lincoln Lions are respectful, responsible, and ready.
That's right. We are.
Yep.
We are. Okay, everybody. Wake up the neighborhood. Say it with us.
This is the
This
way.
is the way. The Lincoln way.
Bye, everyone.
3, 2, 1, go!